I am mukbang. Today we eating makto. Hello guys! We are eating what today? This is my favorite. Subscribe to the channel and like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow and share. It's Nick. I do rice with chicken nuggets. Rice. Whoa. Now.
No.
Rice.
Punta kami dyan.
Sauce. Rice.
Punta kami dyan.
I hope you like and subscribe into this video.